How to choose the right blockchain. The term blockchain is an abstract concept that's been in the public eye for quite some time. It's become synonymous with cryptocurrencies. With talk of a future where blockchain will be used to process and verify financial transactions, there is a lot at stake financially and socially. The widespread adoption of blockchain technology has spurred a heated debate on whether or not it will revolutionize the economy. The pace of change in the world is greater than it has ever been. For businesses to remain competitive, they need to challenge long-held assumptions and embrace novel modes of operation. To accomplish this, they need to improve the efficacy of their collaboration with their partners and suppliers. And up until this point, it had been challenging for them to place their trust in other vendors with sensitive data due to potential security risks. However, as the world continues to become more interconnected and businesses become more interdependent, trust issues have emerged as a major vulnerability for many businesses. Organizations realize they should trust others rather than keep everything internal and proprietary. This is a positive development. Because of this, companies across various sectors are beginning to investigate blockchain technology in greater depth. With its peer-to-peer nature and decentralized architecture, blockchain is an excellent foundation for building the next-generation enterprise software solution for your company's requirements. This can be accomplished by using blockchain to create a distributed ledger. Continue reading to understand better the various types of blockchain software platforms currently on the market and how to select the appropriate one for your next venture. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a distributed ledger. It serves as an open, accessible, and public record of transactions between users. It can also be defined as an ordered and encrypted data record stored in a specific digital ledger. The technology relies on the traditional concept of security and cryptography to generate, manage, and store digital assets in a set of blocks connected through a shared system for recording data transactions. It is a continuously growing list of records chained together and secured by cryptography. The data stored in the blocks can represent an asset, a person, an item, or anything of value. The users usually have keys that allow them to access the content of the blocks to read it. Everyone has access to all the information in any block, and there is no need for a centralized system to control it. That way, blockchain can ensure transparency and accountability while still providing some privacy. Platforms, centralized versus decentralized. There are two major types of platforms for developing blockchain-based applications, centralized and decentralized. The benefits of decentralization have led to the popularity of this type of platform. With this type, developers can use the same underlying technology but make it work in a manner that is more suitable to their specific needs, working under their systems and access requirements. Decentralization makes blockchain an attractive option for applications that want to decentralize more power to the users and control their information while reducing costs and wastage. Consensus mechanism. A decentralized blockchain is a system storing the blocks across multiple locations. A distributed ledger is a digital record containing a list of transactions that have been verified and shared by all the computers running software on their network. A blockchain has its native control mechanism known as proof of work, POW, which ensures the integrity of data and the validity of the transactions stored in it. Proof of work ensures those who want to add new blocks to the chain don't just flood the network with empty blocks. The person attempting to add a block earns some of the cryptocurrency locked in the blockchain by having their computer solve a difficult computational puzzle. This is also known as mining. The proof mechanism used by blockchain ensures that only those blocks added which have been validated by the network are allowed entry into the chain. Cost. The cost of selecting the appropriate blockchain platform for your venture is dependent on the features offered by the platform as well as its level of complexity. The platform's level of complexity directly correlates to the amount spent on its development. Similarly, the degree of complexity affects the overall size of the blockchain platform. The more straightforward the system is, the lower the price will be. On the other hand, if your needs are more straightforward, you might prefer a more straightforward platform. A blockchain platform's features will also impact the overall development costs associated with creating the platform. It is essential to conduct a cost analysis before selecting the right platform if you intend to use this technology for an application that will be used in a business setting. Development tools. Many development tools are available to help you design and create a blockchain application. Some platforms can create distributed applications using blockchain technology. When selecting a blockchain software platform, two categories of tools should be considered: development tools and infrastructure tools. The term development tools refers to a collection of different blockchain components, such as API clients, client libraries, etc. They are used by developers when constructing new applications or migrating ones that already exist. A blockchain software platform is only as strong as its underlying infrastructure, which comprises various tools. They are essential to the system's operation, as establishing the trust chain that enables trustless collaboration between various parties is required for the system to function properly. Performance. Performance is a crucial element when it comes to blockchain development. The performance of a software platform is limited by the features and functions it supports, as well as by the architecture and technical design of the system. High performance is crucial and an important factor during development, especially considering that blockchain technology can process large numbers of transactions and may be used to facilitate large transactions. Selecting a blockchain platform that can support your company's database requirements and transaction processing will ensure the optimum performance of your application or service. Smart contracts. A smart contract is a program that runs on a distributed ledger to complete an action while fulfilling certain pre-programmed rules and conditions in the form of software code. Smart contracts are written in computer code that can be stored on the chain and allow assets to be transferred on a peer-to-peer basis without the involvement of a third party, such as a clearinghouse or financial institution. Conclusion. Several factors should be considered when selecting a blockchain software platform, such as performance, cost, and scalability. NFTs are financial assets on the Ethereum blockchain, and many other blockchains that support ERC-20 tokens that can be transferred, stored, and transacted just like any other asset. NFTs can be traded for other public chains using an exchange, just like regular cryptocurrencies. However, unlike volatile cryptocurrencies, NFTs are stable due to smart contracts, which prevent market crashes.